2007 Shelby GT500 Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Beautiful car in Vista blue, gray stripes, clean Carfax, no accidents. Actual mile car at 6,569 miles is all. That's right, 6,569 miles is all. Spent the majority of its life in Texas and Oklahoma. Let's take a look at this front fascia. There is a stow and show license plate bracket mount underneath that bottom chin spoiler. You'll be able to see that in the underside pictures. Of course, the 5.4 liter dual overhead cam supercharged hand-built V8 puts down 500 horse, 6-speed manual transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Check out all the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, if you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Yes, the paint shows as good in person as it does the video and the pictures. Riding on the correct SVT wheels, Brembo brakes. Did have tires put on it in 2024. Tires have approximately 5,000 miles is all on them. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car is free of any major nicks, dings, scratches I've seen. I haven't even really come across an imperfection in the thing. Of course, the dark charcoal leather interior, bucket seats, center console. Has had an aftermarket shift ball added with the blue Shelby logo on it. And there is also the stock shift knob that will go with it in the cup holder there. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Has a navigation radio to it, AM, FM, CD player. Flowmaster exhaust added. Nice sounding car. You'll be able to see the mufflers in the still pictures from the underside also. Catalytic converters still intact. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Four-wheel alignment was done at the time the tires were put on. Brakes are at 80% or better at all four corners. Definitely no surprises on this one. If you like these specialty Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, driver's side looks just as good as the passenger side. Paint practically looks wet on this. And again, I have not noticed any major imperfections, let alone really any. All right, modern amenities, power windows, power locks, get a good look at the door panel. Same across the way. Driver's seat, what you'd expect with just a little over 6,000 miles. Hardly any wear on that at all. Of course, the Cobra logo, the backrest. Of course, cruise control, tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Shelby GT floor mats in it. GT500 floor mats, I should say. Throaty exhaust note. There's the exact mile, 6569. No service engine soon. Check engine lights, anything like that. Navigation radio. Great sounding stereos. Also a dash plaque indicating VIN number and the 07 Shelby GT500 insignia. Top of the dash looking good. Headliner, of course, also in good shape. Let's listen. This one's got a little growl to it. Let's get this hood popped so we can check out the engine bay. I'm going to pause it a second so I can get that prop rod up. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take this car for a drive, show us how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, first off, sorry I fibbed about the usual prop rod. It's still there, but this has had hood struts added. Always a nice addition on these Mustangs. Hood liner nice and clean, that heat extractor hood. There it is, hand built, 5.4 liter, dual overhead cam, V8, 500 horsepower, and this is one clean engine bay. Good looking Shelby in Vista Blue, clean Carfax, a little over 6,500 miles is all. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. All those still pics, take your time looking through them. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2007 Ford Mustang. This plaque here tells me it is a Shelby GT500, 500 horsepower worth, 6-speed. That's 6 gears to play with that 500 horse with. And a great looking Mustang. I don't see that too many blue ones, and this looks really good. And I'm up to speed quickly. It's a very fun car to drive. Let's go to 6 just for the sake of it. 6th gear, approximately 55 miles an hour and 1500 RPM. That's a nice cruising speed in RPM. Great looking bucket seats in this car, very comfortable. Stereo sounds good.
Enjoy Paradise City Pro Wrestling, free for all ages.
I'm sensing extra bass in that sound. It sounds really good. We definitely have some traffic. The AC blows cold in this car. Now it's showing, if that's legit, which I believe it is, less than 7,000 original miles on this excellent GT500. Brakes are nice and smooth. It sounds amazing. Wait for a little bit of traffic. There we go. The clutch on these is great. You can ease into it, but also it'll grab right when you want it to. The corner's very flat, which is what you want in a performance car. Just hear that slight whine of the power adder. Such a fun car to drive. All our gauges are working. The oil pressure is over 1/2. The temperature is 1/3 of the way up. The fuel gauge is over 3/4, and we have a PSI gauge giving us our boost measurement. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2007 Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.